A towing hitch, interchangeable, so it can slide in. It can, you know, by sliding it in different ways, that way or that way, into if you've got the housing for that to go in, this can be height adjustable for your whatever you're towing. So it can be like that, or if it needs to be lower, it can be like that. Okay? And then once it goes in the sleeve, that goes through, and a pin goes through to make sure that this doesn't come out, because this is what's holding it in. Now, one thing with these is I'm about to paint it. I'm giving it a bit of a sand. I'm going to paint it yellow with epoxy enamel. It's anti-rust, protects against rust and corrosion. Now the reason yellow is when you got these things on and you're not towing anything, they can be a hazard for people's shins. If you hit one of these with your shins, holy shit, it hurts. Okay, so it's been about 3 days now for it to dry, and the result is this. I'm wearing these crazy glasses to keep the glare of the yellow. No, not really, but yeah, there it is. Now, I'm just going to put CRC in there. I'm not going to spray paint in there. It's not too bad. But there it is, nice and yellow. It's got a good, solid, coating on it. So that should last at least another couple of years before it needs redoing. I didn't hard sand it back to get like a machined finish. But yeah, I might even give it one more coat. But yeah, no, it's come up pretty good. Just using metal shield epoxy enamel. Okay, thanks for watching.